Today, I bought another one. This time a 1978 Chevy Silverado Custom Deluxe, aka the square body. Here was the hard part. I had to trailer it halfway across the world. Let's see if I can restore this paint back to its former glory with the pressure washer. Ooh, it's coming out pretty good, I must say. Goodness gracious, look at all this garbage. The guy who sold me this truck, let's just say it's a little bit sketchy. All that garbage was in the back of this truck. 5,000 beer cans later, 20 garbage bags. I got it pretty clean. Let's see if this comes off. Mildew, mold, ugh, nasty. Pressure washer. Always does it. Foamy, foamy, foam, foam, foam. Wow, she's straight. I'm in love with this truck. What a beauty. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look how it came out. Let's keep on working on this roof here. Oh yeah, paint's coming back. Paint's coming back. I'm excited at this point. The interior is nice, but I'm a little bit tired, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Let's keep on working on this bed. No rust. She is solid as a rock. Look at that, straight as an arrow. What a beauty. Whoa. Chevrolet. Is it on fire? Nah, I'm just burning some of that garbage that the guy left for me in the back of the bed.